Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're looking for a way to leave a room in Bloodstrike, then here's how you can easily do it. In order to leave a room in Bloodstrike, launch open the Bloodstrike game and make sure you're inside this room. To leave the room, go to the top right corner and tap the leave button and you'll be able to see that you have left your room. Now, get back to the lobby screen by tapping on the back button at the top left and you are out of your room. You can get back to your room or return to the room whenever you want by clicking on inner room button at the top center and you'll be back to your very own room again. If you want to get out of the room permanently, then you can simply tap on the back button without clicking the leave from your room menu at the top left. And once you click OK in the pop-up, the room will be disbanded and you are no longer the member of the room. You cannot return to the room since you have disbanded it. So that is how you can successfully leave a room in Bloodstrike permanently or temporarily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.